welcome back for this third tutorial. My name is Bruno Flaven. So we're gonna add some complexity on this subject. So how to handle a Vue application and connect it to an API. This time I'm not gonna use a FastAPI. You can, if you don't want to install everything, everything that I did previously, you can even think about having something really quick. I'm gonna go in local, and I have taken resources from this website, Digital Ascent, and also FreeCode Camp. What we're gonna do is we're gonna open this one through Google. So I'm opening this one. Basically, I'm gonna open, so it doesn't work because there is no API behind. We're gonna go through this code so you can check. I've given the resources. What is happening is that you need to have an API behind, and we're gonna use an API basic using JSON server, which is the JavaScript stuff, and everything that is happening in the Vue is in this stuff. So is looking for this URL, and this URL does not exist for the moment. So I have right here a JSON file, so I'm gonna launch it like in the same, you see, so it's empty. But then if I launch, I clear my console, I have JSON server install, and then this endpoint start to exist. So if I connect it like this, I see there's something, and then it will show me the different stuff. So if, for instance, I can add some, I can add a very first article and say, okay, test for YouTube, and give it up. This is article that I find on, I think it was on CNN on somewhere. That was, sorry, New York Times. Was New York Times. And then we say, okay, well, I'm going to take this. I'm going to replace this. Okay, so then it will have me. I think I need to restart. Yeah, I guess I have to restart. Oh. Yep, it's missing something. You see? And then this should work. Okay, I have to test because I didn't put some, so if I stop it and restart it, there's no mistake. Okay, so I can even take this one and put test 2 and then test 1. Then there's no error. I still have my stuff right here. I see test 2. And then I should see test 2 and test 1, okay? So basically, this is a very basic API, which is using JSON server, which is, anyway, you can find JSON server install. You can check how it works. This is npm server, so I'm using this, and it's very easy. But we're gonna do a more complex one, which is now I'm gonna try to connect it with the real FastAPI in the fourth video. So see you in a minute then. Bye-bye.